Now we are going to do the bow knot of the penguin. Firstly, circle a yard into a coil. We are going to tie a knot with the yard. The hook insert the circle, pull yarn through, and pull the tail of the yard at the bottom to tighten the knot. We are going to do 7 slip knots. We should insert the hook in the 6th stitch we have hooked. Yarn under and push through, and then do a single crochet. We are going to 5 single crochet into the rest 5 slip knots in the same way. At the end of the line, we should have a total of 6 single crochet, then do a slip stitch join. In the second line, we are going to 6 single crochet in the opposite direction. And do a slip stitch join at the end too. In the third line, turn over the wound part and then hook 6 single crochet in the opposite direction to the second line. And then slip stitch join 2. After the 3 lines, now we get rectangle. In the round 4, we are going to have 22 stitches. Firstly, we are going to do a single crochet increase. And then make 4 single crochet. We need to do an increase on the edges of the rectangle. So we should have a single crochet increase. And then do 3 single crochet. Next, continue to weave the same stitch just now, 1 single crochet increase. And 4 single crochet. Then 1 single crochet increase. And 3 single crochet. Once we've done with round 4, we should have a total of 22 stitches and slip stitch join to this round. Now we Finish to continue all the stitches of the bow knot and put the loop on the hook long enough. And then cut it with the scissors. Then there are 2 yarn ends at the bottom knot. That can be used to circle the middle of the item to get the shape of the bow knot. We are going to sew the short yarn to the middle of the opening with a sewing needle. And then the same operation applies to the long yarn too. We should hold the middle part to form a bow. And when the yarn in the middle to fix the bow knot. So we have finished the bottom part of the penguin.